friends, my name is Samira. Today I'm teaching India 28 states and their places and names. First one is Ladakh. Second one is Jammu Kashmir. Third one is Himachal Pradesh. Fourth one is Punjab. Fifth one is Haryana. Sixth one is Uttarakhand. Seventh one is Uttar Pradesh. Eighth one is Madhya Pradesh. Ninth one is Rajasthan. 10th one is Gujarat. 11th one is Maharashtra. 12th one is Goa. 13th one is Karnataka. 14th one is Telangana. Andhra Pradesh. Kerala. Tamil Nadu. Chhattisgarh. Odisha. Jharkhand. Bihar. West Bengal. Sikkim. Arunachal Pradesh. Assam. Meghalaya. Nagaland. Manipur. Tripura. Mizoram. இந்தியாவை நேசிக்கிற அனைவரும் இந்த வீடியோக்கு லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.